Hello, my name is Sofía Cingolani and I am presenting my poster titled Biotic Resistant Modulated by Traits, Comparing Functional Structure between Shrub-invaded and Neighboring Non-invaded Communities. This work was carried out in collaboration with 𝙍𝙤𝙨𝙖 and 𝙨𝙬𝙤𝙨. We are studying the Scotch broom and the sweet briar, two invasive shrubs in Patagonia, Argentina. These species are especially good at colonizing after disturbances, forming dense stands which hinder native communities' recovery and act as invasion foci. However, the spread into less disturbed communities is not homogeneous. In this study, we aim to analyze the functional structure of shrub-invaded and non-invaded neighboring communities to determine whether trait-based biotic resistance help explain community susceptibility to invasion. To achieve this, we selected 9 sites with invasion foci of the focal invasive shrubs in Nahuel Huapi National Park, in Patagonia, Argentina. In each site, we placed 3 to 6 pairs of neighboring invaded and non-invaded plots. In each plot, we identified plant species, recorded their origin, and collected structural data such as cover and maximum height. We selected traits associated with resource acquisition strategies like the potential maximum height, the leaf area, specific leaf area, the leaf dry matter content, and the vertical diaspora width. For the most abundant species, these traits were either obtained measured from collected plant samples or from databases. In order to assess the differences between invaded and non-invaded communities, we calculated the community-weighted mean of each trait in each plot as the mean value across all species present weighted by the species' relative abundance. With this data, we fitted one Bernoulli linear model for the presence of each focal species. Moving to the result, most variables show uncertain effects of the presence of both species. For each species, only one variable shows some effect over their presence. In communities with species with larger vertical diaspora width, the presence of 𝙧𝙪𝙗𝙗𝙤𝙗 scoparius is less likely. In communities with species with greater maximum potential height, the presence of Rosa rubiginosa is less likely. Although certain trends can be seen, there is a great uncertainty about the functional traits that might contribute to resistance to the spread of these invasive shrubs. Our results provide evidence that the invaded and uninvaded communities share similar functional structure, suggesting that resistance may not be solely explained by trait-based community differences. More studies are needed to better understand the influence of functional structure and biotic resistance on the spread of invasive species.